I've always been fascinated by how technology changes our lives and really seeing interesting people fixing really, really hard problems. Seeing people succeed, both within my family and in the industry, is one of the things that really motivates me. So when I had the chance to join the tech field in the 90s, that's what I did because it was fast and I could actually make change right away. I've been a First Tech member since the winter of 98-99, so that is over 25 years now. I came with Hewlett-Packard from Germany to the United States, having a partner on my side, helping me every step of the way in a system that was unfamiliar. To make the right choices was an absolute game changer. Years ago, one of my best friends founded a startup, bought a DeLorean as an advertisement vehicle, and I was so fascinated by the car when after a year he wanted to sell it. I bought it. But he wanted to make sure that I know exactly what I was getting into, so introduced me to the DeLorean repair person here in the Pacific Northwest. I have established relationships with First Tech so that it's possible to access finances really on a very short notice. When the shop needed a new place to operate, I was able to find a good place. So we bought it as part of our investment portfolio. Now the shop can keep operating and supporting DeLorean owners in the Pacific Northwest. Starting my own business in 2010, it was really important to have a partner that already knew me, but also understands what does it take to build your own business, to register, to get the financial accounting set up correctly for it. One of the things I really liked building the relationship with First Tech is getting assigned a PFR. So that's the Premier Financial Representative. Samantha is ours, and she has been a great partner over the years, helping us every step of the way from managing our existing businesses, supporting new business ventures. Samantha is extremely responsive, always helping us to making sure we make the right decisions. Samantha is the face of First Tech for me. Having a partner on your side that is really having your interest in mind and not the shareholder's interest makes a huge difference. It puts my mind at ease. First Tech really has my back as I'm moving forward and taking risks and building things.